Whoa, you see that? There it is. That's $42,247 in net profit in 30 days from one store selling 2 products. Guys, you need to focus on product research. Today is going to be all about showing you how I do my product research. And let me find you some winning products today while I do so you can get a good idea of what they look like, and you could also test the ones I find. Check it out in this vid. Let's get hustling. Ain't no time to waste. Let's get right to it. So first thing, we're gonna do 3 of my favorite product research methods. I'm gonna find a product with every single one of them. First one being Facebook newsfeed, right? That's easy, simple. You guys already know it. You go under newsfeed. You have an application such as Product Mafia Ad Hunter 2.0, and you turn it on and it'll only show you advertisements. Then we look for dropshipping advertisements. Have a keen eye and a good understanding of what a product looks like that's dropshipping, and you'll be good with this. Dropispy is next, and then AliExpress to find unsaturated products. So stay tuned for all 3 of those. So let's get right to it. So Tuve, we covered this in the previous video. This is a good product. However, it has serious branding to it, and they're absolutely already killing it. So I wouldn't get into this if you're a beginner. This is another product very similar to that. I'm just gonna quickly click on it just so you guys get an idea of what it is. It's a box with love. I mean, like, it's just got a lot of little applications that go with it. And yeah, I'm not gonna get too much into it. If you wanna see a cool website, what they look like, it's like a legit branded website, go to this website. As you can see, they're selling it for like 120 bucks. You could probably get it for like 20 bucks branded, you know? But they have overhead because they're a serious brand. Like, look at this picture. This costs them money. Anyways, let's get down to it. Okay. Ravelight, I mean, this is just like another dropshipping, like basic starter dropshipping product. You know, they've been selling this, people have been selling this product for quite some time now. I wouldn't get into it, but the margins are definitely there. I think this is about 50 bucks shipped, 50 to 60, something like that. So you definitely make some great margins with this. However, it's just not a crazy product, you know, nothing that unique. I mean, who's raving now anyways? I mean, considering what's going on in the world. Anyways, these are just things that I'm talking about so you guys get an idea of what to look out for, what to think, how your mindset should be while you're looking at products. Very good experience. That's why I'm making these videos more often. Product research is very important. Okay, this is another gimmicky product, but it's eye-catching. I want you to take note of this, the reactions and the comments, right? It's a funny video, so a lot of people are going to react and comment, and therefore they're going to get very cheap clicks. So this is a lot of reactions, right? They're definitely doing pretty good with this product. It's 40 bucks. I'm just going to literally copy and paste this into AliExpress real quick. Let me open up a new tab for AliExpress. Okay, let's see. All right, come on. There we go. Okay, probably I would say 12 bucks shipped. Would be conservative, a good amount. Considering that, you know, they're selling it for 40 bucks, you're doing excellently with this. Good website, you could do a lot of improvement with this, but they're using 3 colors. It's a little over the top, but they're doing great with this kind of bundle deal. This is excellent. This looks fantastic. And they're definitely driving a lot of sales with this. Let me just click on SimilarWeb. I'm sure they don't have any traffic. Okay, they're not that big, but I'm sure they've been doing this for a decent amount of time now. Let me check real quick for you guys. So what you want to do is you want to definitely check out their Facebook page and see how long they've been running ads for. Okay, so this right here, obviously the United States one is probably the person running the account itself. He's hired 2 people from Bangladesh, which means they're probably virtual assistants for them. So then if he's got 2 people, I mean, he's definitely doing some good numbers here, likely due to, you know, maintaining his customer service and all that. That's probably why he hired them. Let's see when he started the ads. December 29th. This is a good product. You could test this product and you could definitely bring in money with this product. They've been running for, what is it, 4 weeks now? Almost a little over 3 weeks. Excellent. Okay, you could definitely do a lot with this. You could make a better site. You could use a similar ad. Don't use the same ad. Facebook doesn't like that. They will not reward you for this. Try to have different scroll stoppers as well. This is a really good one. It's going to be hard to beat it, but trust me, you'll find one just as good. If not, then just take something like this and put it in the beginning instead. again, you know, it's just like little kids enjoying it. If the video is good, if it's appealing to the viewer, then it will be a good product because you can cheaply advertise it. Facebook loves that. Okay, let's move on because we already found an excellent product on Facebook already. So let's use the next product research method. So that's one of them. Okay, Dropispy. Dropispy is paid. It's $15 a month. I'll put a link in the description for an affiliate link. You'll get 50% off. Actually, I think it's $30 a month, $15 with the link. So let me just show you quickly what the filters should be. I have all of this covered in my product research method. So if you haven't checked them out, definitely check them out. I'll put links in the end of the video. So you 100% want to see all the product research methods to really see how to do them properly. So first things first, we're just gonna do, you know what? I'm just gonna show you right here, just because I don't want to waste too much time. If you want to learn how to do it, look at the video. So we're just gonna select the ecom platform, Shopify. That's the most important. Shop now as a CTA, like 700 to whatever. And then you also want to filter it by last seen date, sort it by that. Okay, so now we're just gonna look through some of these. These first ones seem to be sponsors, but let's see what this is. Oh, okay. This is not a dropshipping thing at all. Okay, sorry, ignore that. No, here, this is definitely dropshipping. Okay, dog clippers. All right, we also found another product in one of the research methods using AliExpress that was a completely unsaturated product. That product was a dog product as well. It was a hair dryer / comb, electric comb. If you do start a store, these two products can work very well together hand in hand. You can do an upsell with one or the other. But this one is definitely a little bit more saturated. You can see it's 11K reactions. I wouldn't want you guys to start with this product. I want you to use this product as an upsell because it's already kind of saturated. You could make some money. You could take a small piece of the pie if you're new. That's okay. But ideally, you'd want a bigger piece of the pie. So, all right. I am going to scroll down. Okay. Love me, what's this? Oh no, this is BS. This is also saturated. There's nothing unique about this, honestly. Okay. Nope. Those are glasses. Okay, this one is cool. I have a feeling actually it does sound like a dropshipping product. Let me see. All right, this is a scam. There's no way it's $37.95. Just ignore this for now. I want to get to some good products. Yeah, there are some people scamming out there, so just be wary of that. That's why dropshipping gets such a bad name out there. Okay, what's this? It's a good product. Okay, let's see how much they're selling it for. Oops. I've seen a lot of stuff with disinfecting, but I haven't seen this. I bet the margins are great. Yep. So it has a high perceived value. It looks like a high technology product. You could probably sell this for 99 bucks all day. Even 129 is probably selling pretty well. And they've been running this video ad for how long now? So the margins are crazy on this, man. This is like, you can probably get this for 25 bucks shipped from like a good supplier. If not 30, fine, 35, whatever, man. Sell it for 130 bucks, man. Come on, get out of here. People are taking advantage of this kind of stuff. Let's see. Okay, they're killing it. Look at this. He's a Canadian guy or a girl, whatever, and he's got Filipino and Indian VAs. I'm gonna have another video about VAs as well. That's so important. Okay, they have no ads. Oh wait, no, they do. It's just not in the United States. There we go. Okay, and they've been running it since... Whoa, what? Wait a minute. That makes no sense. November 5th. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so this is just an older advertisement, but they're still running ads. They still started another ad. So if they've been alive for this long, surely something is profitable here. If they have VAs and they're still running their website, let's check out their site one more time. Okay, Safety Lab suppliers. Let me see what they've tested. So they tested all these products and they've discovered that this one is the best, or this one. Yeah, the website's not that great, but I do like how they have the phone number up there. That's very good. So yeah, this is a good product. You could definitely test this out. I wouldn't sell it for 130 bucks. Like if you're making, if you're getting it for 30 bucks, sell it for 90. Why not? You'll still kill it all day if you have a good advertisement. So there you go. Product number 2, guys. And now here is my favorite method because you're going to be finding unsaturated products that are completely brand new. So it's a little bit harder, so hopefully we'll find something that's good, but we did last time when we were doing the product research video. I found it live with you guys, so let's find it live again. So I'm going to start with a garden, homing garden. I love starting there. And I like to do newest. And this time we're going to do ship from United States. You don't have to do this. And we're also going to do click on 4 stars and above. Once you run out of ideas, you can't find anything else, you could untake this, you could change this, you could do whatever you want. And I also like to set this to, let's, what are we feeling, guys? We feeling 21? We're feeling 21. Let's do that. Okay. Let's say 99. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we got some great products here, I hope. What the hell is this? This looks like a cement mixer. Like, what is this thing? I'm curious now. This looks weird. Disinfection, atomizer. What the heck is this? Okay. I guess it's a humidifier slash like room disinfecting device. It doesn't look like it's worth 150 bucks. Like, look at this green color. Like, it's ugly as crap. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty large distance, but I doubt it's that effective, honestly. Anyways, let's find another product here. This is cool, hot pot and grill. Oh crap! Have you guys ever been to like hot pot places? Like, this is dope. You could definitely start a brand with this. Honestly, you really could. Charge like 300 bucks a pop. Ship from US, 230. You can find it cheaper, 100%. That's way too expensive. All right, UV lights are also dope. I mean, growers, like people are growing a lot more, some fresh greens in their houses and shit. Like, you can definitely capitalize off of that. Okay. All right, so, oh, my bad. For some reason, it did not filter properly, but that's okay. You could start with 99 and go up. You could do 21 to 99. You can do 25 to 20, 28. Play around with it. That's how you do this product research method. Okay, let's keep going. Coffee spoons, wooden. No. What is this? Nightlight. This is kind of cute. You could test this product. It's got great reviews, a good amount of orders. What does it do? This caught my attention. That's how you look for products. If it catches your attention, you're a consumer, right? You buy crap. Like, look at my room. I buy crap. I buy so much crap. So like, I'm a consumer. I'm going to use my own judgment as a person who spends money, sometimes on frivolous things. Like, okay, this is cool. This is so cool. You could totally test this. Are you kidding me? This could sell for 60 bucks all day. That's awesome. Okay. And I guarantee you can find this probably for like 15 shipped if you find a good supplier. It's a small product. When you're looking for good products, a small one is pretty handy if they're lightweight and small. This way you won't be charged out the wazoo just because of shipping. And they ship from the US. That's sick. That's a good deal. That's a great setup right here. You get almost like about average like 7-10 day shipping time transit with USPS. Awesome product. There you go. I don't even have to look any further, but I'm gonna quickly run through, see what else there is here. Here's a disinfecting sprayer. There you go. Yep, that's how you know this product research method is a killer, man. All right, I think this is good enough, honestly. This product itself, you could run with it. Like, this is awesome. And the best part is you wouldn't have to take too much time to make an advertisement. Like this in itself, like, hold on, right here, this is cool. You just got to get rid of the Chinese. People are very skeptical and a little racist nowadays. So I would be cautious of that. Chinese actors and whatnot. Unfortunately, that's just the world we live in. But yeah, very clean, very sleek product. That's awesome. If you can make a GIF out of this with the product working, you could make a great advertisement. Like a 5-second GIF, you'd kill it. Are you kidding me? All day, baby, all day. This is awesome. Okay, it's not scalable to the moon, but it's definitely a great starter for anyone beginning. So I'm actually going to save this and perhaps help someone out in the future with one of my case studies. Speaking of case studies, I've already got 3 guys that I'm helping out build stores, and they are going to be my case studies. One of my guys already has everything built out. He just started, he just learned about Shopify 7 days ago, and he's killing it. He found amazing products with my product research methods. He picked out 7. I got one of those 7. I picked it out for him and I helped him out. I told him, I gave him all the decisions, the decisive factors, and he's building everything, so God bless. Like, hopefully things go right, and he can be my first case study. I'll show you guys how it's done. And if you have any questions, concerns, anything you guys want me to help you on, any suggestions on future videos, please go ahead and let me know. Just drop a like. That's all I ask for. Is that so much to ask for a hard-working gentleman trying to help the world? Come on, please. All right, I'm not gonna be that much of an attention whore yet, but in all seriousness, if you need help, drop it in the comment section, send me a DM, and I will do my best to reply to it right away. Thanks for watching, y'all, until the end. I really appreciate you guys. Again, much love. Keep hustling, keep working on your product research. It's so important. If you just started, just keep doing product research until you drill it in, find a ton of products, put it on a spreadsheet, review it later on, and just kill it. All right, Narek is out. Any comments? Drop them down. Peace.